Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be shopping at Target for fidgets and hopefully I find some, but I'll check back in with you guys when I get back in the store. So I'm in the dollar store right now and I'm gonna look for some fidgets. Maybe we can find some. Just start with the fidget. Fun. They also have some, it's weird. Has a little animal. Let's see what other fidgets. Bath, Play-Doh bath. Very interesting. It's my first time filming in public. It's so scary. What else? What's this? It's a maid. I don't think I found anything here besides the slime, but I'm not gonna buy that. I'm on my way to the toy section right now. I don't think I'll find anything there, but I see a little section right here. This counts as a fidget, right? Okay. Stress ball. Would this count as a fidget? Have a little bouncy ball. Oh, that's cool. It's little squishies. I think I might just grab this stress ball because it counts as a stress toy. I think I'll go with this green one. Look at what I found. I found these rings. They're like magnetic, but they're in the card section, so I'm not sure how much it is. So I might get these if it's worth the price. So I also found these little collectibles. They look squishy. They're Justice League thing, but it definitely does feel squishy. So I might get this one, but I'm not sure. So we're back in the car, and I didn't end up getting the rings, but I did end up getting the Pop-It. So I think I'll open that right now. So let's open it, and then I'll do an official like ASMR, just my hands review in a separate video. But it's a Pop-It. Do I need to do it on flasher first? But this was $8, I think. Oh, I think I'm doing it wrong. It's like a more satisfying side on this side. So I'll do it right here. Okay, so the next thing that I got was I'll open this one. It's a squishy Justice League one, and this was I think $6. So I can open it. It's pink. Oh, it's Harley Quinn. It's a little squishy. Very fun. I was hoping I was gonna get Batman or something like that, but I got the arch nemesis, the girlfriend. Then the last thing that I got was this stress ball. So let's open it and see how good it is. Well, I don't know how to rate them, but I guess on how satisfying it is. Very fun. So I'm gonna do an official like review and like rating them in a separate video. But thank you guys so much for sticking to the end. And if you're here till the end, comment down below. Comment
But legit.
Comment down below
Your favorite fidget.
and definitely recommend more. But remember, creativity travels everywhere.